Okay, so let's look at this one now for number 3. It says at the end of August, Mr. Diaz has a balance of, that means like a total, $441.88. Yeah. Since then, he has written 2 checks for $157.34 and $19.74. He made a deposit of $575. He's saying his balance is $739.54. So we have to fix his checkbook and see where his balance actually is. Okay, so this is what he starts with, $441.88. He made a deposit. Deposit means you're giving money. A deposit means addition. So with that deposit, which is addition, I'm going to add the balance of what he had to $575. When I do that, I'll show you the work over here. $441.88 plus $575 exactly. I'm not going to write the zeros, but you can if you want. 1 plus 5 I know is 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. Put the 1 down, regroup. So now he has a total of $1,016.88. I'm going to write that there first. So now when they're talking about, and I'm going to change the color so you can see, when you're writing a check, that means you're taking money out, okay? So if you're taking money out, that's going to be the operation of subtraction. So here's a check he wrote. A check is almost like paying money, kind of. So I'm going to take that first check and I have to subtract it from the balance he just had, that $1,016.88. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. I have to regroup here. I borrow it from here, which I borrow it from here. 16 minus 7 is going to bring me to 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. So now, after that first check, now his balance is $859.54. But he goes and he writes another check. Again, a check is taking out money. So I'm just going to do my work over here. He had that $859.54. He wrote another check. That's the operation of subtraction in the amount of $19.74. So again, I subtract. 4 minus 4 is nothing. Have to regroup here. Borrow it from here. Regroup from here. 15 minus 7 brings me to 8. Remember, I'm subtracting decimals. I'm subtracting decimals and I have to line up the decimals when I do that. 18 minus 9 is going to bring me to 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 minus nothing is 8. So I'm going to put that total now after he wrote that check of $839.80. Okay, so he was saying his balance is $739.54. After we did all the work here, we can see that no, he was not correct. Okay, so that's how you solve that problem.